Okay, so I am typing the message now. No, you cannot just only post videos or images. You have to have small write-up. And in your write-up, you have to be careful on the kind of word you use. That means before you start the writing, make sure you have gone through Facebook ad guidelines. There are some things you are not expected to see in your write-up, but I'm not going to go into that now. Okay, so I'm writing. You have to be clear on what you want your audience to know and what you are delivering, what you are promising them. My write-up is how to use Revit structure to produce structural modeling and analysis. This is what they are expecting. That is the headline. Then this is specifically designed for structural engineers and civil engineers. Now you can see that I'm not telling them that the video is free. Neither do I tell them the price of the course. I didn't mention anything like price. I did that on purpose so that they can come to my WhatsApp, because if I state the price now, some of them may not even come to my WhatsApp. So let me get the link. So what I will do now is I'm going to come to my browser and type business.facebook.com/setting/setting. I press enter and it will take you to your business manager account. I'm going to click on this hamburger icon, then I click on add manager, and I'm going to click on this drop down so that I can select the ad account I want to use. This is the business I want to use. Then I will select this ad account. Okay, now you can see I have payment error. It means there is no money in this account for now, but let me create the ad. So you can see there are 3 levels. You have campaign, you have ad set, you have ads. The first step is campaign. So I'm going to come to under campaign and click on create conversion first, sales. Okay, yes, I'll change it to conversion so that my ad will have button. Okay, and then every other thing is okay. At this point, since it's conversion objective, I can select the events. The conversion event I want to use is view content. Okay, I will explain all this later on. View content. Okay, then that is the amount is 3,000. The amount is 3,000 and the audience. Okay, so since I have saved the audience before, I'm going to select that audience I saved earlier. Okay, so my audience is okay now. Then as per the placement, I'm going to leave the placement to automatic placement so that it will show to everywhere possible. Okay, I normally leave it to automatic placement. So I'm going to go to add level now. Okay, at the add level, I'm going to uncheck this. I uncheck this one. So it has come to a place where I can add that video now. So I will click setup creative. I will add video, then I'll click next. Okay, so I'm going to add that write-up now, the write-up I created earlier. I'm going to copy it and paste the write-up here. Then the headline, I'm going to type the headline here: how to use Revit structure, how to use Revit structure for structural analysis. Your headline should be able to attract the kind of audience you are targeting, so that by the time they see it, they will be attracted to it. Okay, so I don't want all this. I don't want all that. Okay, so the description will be just describe what your ad is all about. Then this is the button. Then I'm going to click next. Let me copy this. Let me copy and paste this one somewhere in case, because sometimes this place will misbehave sometimes and all the things you have written before disappears. So in case something like that happened today, it has happened to me several times. I don't want that to repeat itself. So I'm going to copy and paste those headline and the description outside of the Facebook. So if anything happen and they happen to disappear, I'll go back and get my team. Okay, so I'll click next now. And all this video you are seeing are the videos that I've used on this account before. For you, it might be empty. So I'm going to click on upload. And this is the video I want to use. I select it and click open. Okay, so the video is done uploading. I select the same video and click next. Then I'll click next. I will click next. Then I'll click done. You can see this is it. This is a preview here. The same text, the same primary text I used before are still here, and if you preview you can see it here. So everything is set, everything is almost set. It's almost set now. Set. Let's be sure that the most important things are set. I'm going to hit publish now. Okay, so I'm going to publish it now. Yes. Okay, that is it. It's published. I'll wait for like 24 hours and it should be approved. I need to add money now, but I'm not going to show that.